A weary traveler who had wandered for years in search of truth finally arrived at a quiet village. There he met Ayaan, a humble middle-class man with kindness in his eyes. Ayaan said with pure sincerity, "Holy man, please come to my home. Perhaps through serving you I may serve the Creator himself." The traveler accepted his invitation. Ayaan's wife and 2 daughters greeted him with warmth and respect. When the traveler prepared to leave, he blessed them and said, "May your home always be filled with happiness and success." Ayaan smiled softly. "Baba, even this will not last forever." The traveler was puzzled. "What do you mean?" Ayaan replied gently, "Baba, nothing in this world stays the same." The traveler nodded. "That is true." 2 years later, the traveler returned to the same village. He learned that Ayaan had lost everything. His house had been sold, and now he worked as a servant for a landlord. The traveler hurried to see him. Ayaan now lived in a small hut. His clothes were torn and his meal was only dry bread. Yet his smile was exactly the same. He said humbly, "Baba, forgive me. This is all I have to offer." The traveler's eyes filled with tears. "Oh God, how could this happen to such a good man?" Ayaan laughed gently and said, "God has given me everything I truly need. The rest were only desires that have faded away. I have learned to make peace my reality. What I have today is enough. Tomorrow may not be the same." The traveler bowed his head and said with admiration, "You are the true saint." 2 more years passed. When the traveler returned again, the story had changed. Ayaan had become the richest landlord in the region. The traveler asked in wonder, "My brother, how did this miracle happen?" Vikram replied, "My old master had no children. He was so impressed by my honesty that he transferred all his property to my name." The traveler rejoiced. But Ayaan smiled again and said, "Baba, this too shall pass. Wealth is like the waves of the sea. Sometimes it stays with you, sometimes it turns away." Many years later, the traveler came once more. Ayaan was no longer alive. His grand mansion stood silent, with only a few pigeons resting quietly in the corners. Vikram's wife was ill and his daughters were married and gone. The traveler whispered softly, "He always knew. Nothing lasts forever." He walked into a quiet room where Aythan's photograph hung on the wall. Below it were written the words, "In the end, this too shall pass." The traveler smiled and he finally understood. The real saint was Ayaan himself, the man who stayed grateful and peaceful in every season of life. Everything else, happiness, sorrow, success, or failure, keeps changing like passing clouds. If today you are happy while your neighbor is struggling, or if you are in pain while someone else celebrates, remember this. Neither joy lasts forever nor sorrow. Time keeps turning. Life keeps flowing. Good days come and bad days too. The beauty of time is that nothing stays for too long, so don't chase what fades. Nurture what remains, your soul. Keep it pure. Keep it peaceful. Because when your soul is calm, every moment, being good or bad, begins to feel beautiful. That is the moment when a person truly finds himself, where gratitude, patience, and peace come together and turn life into worship. If you believe that gratitude and peace are the real treasures of life, write true in the comments. In the end, this too shall pass. The traveler smiled. He finally understood. The real saint was Ayaan himself, the man who stayed grateful and peaceful in every season of life. Everything else, happiness, sorrow, success, or failure, keeps changing like passing clouds. If today you are happy while your neighbor is struggling, or if you are in pain while someone else celebrates, and remember this, neither joy lasts forever nor sorrow. Time keeps turning. Life keeps flowing.